Example 4 is another binomial expansion. This time it's a difference, meaning I subtract. In example 3 it was an addition. The only difference is when it's a subtraction, we alternate the signs. So the first term is going to be positive, the second term negative, then positive and negative, positive, negative, so on and so forth. Just alternate the signs. The first thing we're going to start out with is find the binomial coefficients. Since the exponent is 3, 3c0, 3c1, 3c2, 3c3. Okay? It's going to be 3c0 we know is 1, which means 3c3 is also 1. 3c1 is 3, which means 3c2 is also 3 for the coefficients. Now we're going to go ahead and do the x's and the 3's. So this is going to be x to the positive third, and then negative 3 to the 0. Then it's going to be x squared and negative 3 to the first. Then it's going to be x to the first and negative 3 squared. And x to the 0 times negative 3 to the third. And so x to the third times negative 3 to the 0 will be that. So it'll be x to the third. Then times x squared. Negative 3 to the first is negative 3. So that's how we get negative 9x squared. And then x to the first, negative 3 squared is positive 9. So I get positive 27x. X to the 0 is 1. Negative 3 to the third is times negative 27. 1 times 1 times negative 27 is negative 27. And there's binomial expansion. Notice that it went positive, negative, just like we said it would with subtraction. Okay? I want you guys to go ahead and try number 27, which says y minus 4 to the third. And I'll go ahead and erase this one here. We'll go ahead and work it out. Press pause for y minus 4 to the third. Come back and see if you got the right answer or not. Okay, you should have gotten x cubed minus 12x squared plus 48x minus 64. Just in case you didn't, because it's to the third power, 3c0, 3c1, 3c2, 3c3, 3c0 is 1, 3c3 is 1, 3c1 is 3, 3c2 is 3, and now let's find the rest of it. Those are the coefficients. Okay, so start with the y to the third, and negative 4 to the 0. Then we're going to go y to the second, and negative 4 to the first, because 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 0 is 3. Remember, they have to add to make 3. And then y squared, now it's y to the first. Negative 4 will go to the second. And for the last one, it'll be y to the 0, negative 4 to the third. Okay, so this will be y to the third, which is how we get y to the third or x to the third, whatever. This is going to be times y squared times negative 4. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12x squared. Y to the first, negative 4 squared is positive 16. 3 times 16 is how we get 48x. And y to the 0 is 1. Negative 4 to the third is negative 64, which we have right there in our final answer.